Hey guys, it's Craig. So on that 4520, I can see the PTO brake is obviously got a little bit of slip in it. I can stop it with my hand, so that's the 1000 PTO. I'll go ahead and engage it for you. So guys, everything works on this tractor the way it should. PTO back off. Shut the tractor down. Again, guys, so the story on this tractor, Doug bought it with the intent to restore. As you know, Doug passed away. The kids wanted to finish this tractor out how Dad wanted it done. So that's why the tractor's been restored to the way it is. This is what Doug had wanted, and it's going to be offered to you. You can show up live at the auction or bid online. Hopefully there's enough pictures and videos here, guys, so you guys can make a good educated decision on how much to go. But I can tell you right now, pictures and videos don't do justice just to how nice this tractor is.